Hey guys, if you're one of my regular subscribers, you're used to seeing me behind this thing back here, the Pearl Masterworks kit. But today's a little bit different. Yesterday we took delivery of a 2019 Mustang GT Premium with the 400A interior package and the Performance Pack 1. It's got the cool rear spoiler on the back and a few other options on there that are pretty killer. So today I'm going to be detailing that thing and ceramic coating it, and so I'm going to just show y'all how I'm doing that. Big shout out to Pan the organizer, because last couple months while I've been waiting for the car to come in, I've basically studied his videos on how to detail and ceramic coat, and because I was not sure the ceramic coating thing is like, is this like snake oil? Is this a real deal? Is it legit? Is it crap or what? So I'm going to be doing that. I've practiced on my son's 2011 Ford Fusion, a black one, and came out great. So I was like, wow, that is real deal. So anyway, so I'm going to show you that video for anyone who's in the similar situation, either got a brand new car or a Mustang fan, or just want to know a little bit about detailing ceramic coating. You know, check this video out. And I'll tell you, definitely subscribe to Pan the Organizer, because that guy, he's got some killer stuff, man. So like he says, I'm going to have links to everything I'm using, which I pretty much got from him, in the description below, and we're just going to have some fun with this. I'm really looking forward to doing this car. It was killing me last night when I saw just the dirt and stuff from the factory. It wasn't bad, but just, you know, in transit it got some dirt. It looked like it had been rained on. And so anyway, the color is Kona blue, and it's freaking awesome. So looking forward to seeing that in the sun. So anyway, stick around, gonna have some fun. So here it is. This is the car in the shade. It's early morning and like 8:30, and you can see this is the worst spot on the whole car right there. It looks like some kind of, I can't tell if it's an oil something or other or something, but otherwise you can just see water spots. The wheels are what I'm going to start with first. You can kind of see there's some dirt on there. I'm not going to rub a finger on it because I don't want to scratch anything, but that's going to be the first step. I'm going to do a foam cannon and the 2-bucket hand wash. 2-bucket for one to rinse, one to wash with. I'm just checking out the dirt and stuff. Back here, I don't know who it was, but someone looked like when it was wet, there's a finger smut right there. Looks like they wet their finger along there. So it's not bad, but there's just dirt and stuff. See, and this is one of the most prone to scratches area on the car, is this black spot right here. So this is all going to be touchless washing until the wash mitt, but up until then it's going to be pressure wash and foam can and everything. So anyway, you kind of get an idea. Hope the wind noise isn't too bad. It's a little bit breezy out. It feels great today. There's where some of the tape was, or the protective stuff. So I've already detailed, except for the grass in there, but I already last night did the interior. So there's the interior, did the Pearl 1:1:3 ratio on the interior. I think it's supposed to be 1:5, but I went with 1.3, and it actually turned out really nice. So did all that. I was up late last night. So anyway, and it had 2.8 miles. It's got about 82 right now. So just little details. But anyway, again, if you're one of my drum subscribers, dude, this is something else I'm into. It's a lot of fun. So here we go. Okay, so I brought it inside because it's, well, I'm losing my shade for one thing, but also there's a few spots it's got, like that one, I've got most of it gone, but there's a few spots that I'm gonna clay bar some of this. Overall, it looks fantastic. But there are a few spots where there's some stuff embedded in the paint, like these white specks that look like it was almost, I don't know if you can see that or not, like wax spray from, you know, something else being cleaned up or something. A bunch of little white spots in there. So anyway, I'm gonna clay bar this stuff and then go to the next step. And so far, just on the hood, you can see that or not, there's just some stuff it picked up. Hope that comes through, but yeah, even though it's a brand new car's, not even, you know, just 2 weeks ago it was put together and everything, but still it's got stuff that got slightly embedded in the paint on the way, either at the factory or on the trip down here or whatever. But anyway, just to kind of show you. So I'm gonna get that all out, and that way I can ceramic coat it and not worry about this stuff stuck in there. Okay, so here she is, dried up, cleaned, ready for the rubbing alcohol, ICA, IPA, whatever it's called, to get rid of any kind of fingerprints or oil that might be on it still. I see a few little spots that need smudge removed, but other than that, good to go. And after that, ceramic coating. Okay, so paint correction, there was some polishing I had to do because I had some water spots that were from the factory that just weren't coming out. So I polished basically the whole car and then just did the alcohol wipe down. So completely clean, ready for the ceramic coating. I'm using the, here it is, CQUK 3.0, the C quartz from Car Pro. And there's the bottle, here's the applicator and the thing that goes around it. So gonna put some drops on here and just do 2x2 sections that way, and once it flashes it's going to kind of turn rainbow looking. Wipe it off and go to the next section. Going to do 2 coats of this, and then after an hour, a couple hours, whatever, I'm going to add an extra layer of protection with it, which is this stuff that it came with also. So the reload. So anyway, we should be good to go. Then I'll be done. Yeah, man. It's hot in here, by the way.